Dear students, you all are welcome to the online classroom of Paikasa Government Girls High School. I hope you all are safe and sound by the grace of God. Today I will talk about gap filling activities with clues. I shall show you the ways of filling in the blanks with words from the box. Dear students, look at the board. Here the dictation has been given. When you will fill in the blanks with words from the box, you have to read the dictation. When you will fill in the blanks with the words from the box, you may need to change the forms of some words. That is, sometimes the forms of some words will be changed. You may also use one word more than once. In the box, you may have 10 words or more than 10 words. Sometimes you may use one word more than once too. Then that is after reading the dictation, you will look at the box. In the box, most of the time you will see 10 words, and sometimes you may have more than 10 words. First of all, you have to identify the meaning of the words, and you have to identify the grammatical forms of these words. I mean, you have to identify the part of speech. The parts of speech will be identified. In the box, the first word is apparent, and then bad, lie, ill, etc. you will find. What is the meaning of the word apparent? There are some synonyms of this word: clear, distinct, obvious, etc. So the word apparent means clear or obvious or distinct, etc. Or in other words, we can say clearly seen. The word apparent means clearly seen. Then the next word, bad, it is an adjective and it is the opposite of good. The word bad is opposite to good. And this word apparent is an adjective, and this word bad is also an adjective. And then the next word, lie, it is a verb. It means be situated. It means be situated. Then is a preposition, and the next word, source, is a noun. It means kinds or types. It means kinds or types. Lie means, it means be situated. It means clear or distinct. You can say obvious. And have is an auxiliary verb, and of is a preposition, and award is an adjective, and it means having knowledge of something. Aware means having knowledge of something. About is a preposition, and hope it is a verb. It means to deal with successfully. It also means to control, to handle, to manage something. Okay? Okay, then look at the first one. Bangladesh dash in the southern part of Asia. This is a simple sentence, and here you will have to write a verb, because in the simple sentence after subject we use a verb. So in this in the box here lie, the verb will be written here. Look at the whiteboard. Dear students, as the subject of the sentence is active and the verb is in present infinite tense, and that's why we have to add is after the main verb. Bangladesh lies in the southern part of Asia. Then the next sentence, she is now dash in the grip of all dash of pollutions like air pollution, soil pollution and water pollution. Dear students, here in the structure and meaning of the sentence, an adverb is needed. But in the box there is no adverb. There are some adjectives. But according to the meaning of the sentence, I know that the adjective apparent is appropriate in the blank. But in the blank, you have to write adverb, and that's why you have to change the form of the word. And it will be changed into adverb. The adverb form of the word apparent is apparently, and it will be written here. So the right answer in this blank is apparently, the adverb form of the word adjective. In the grip of all dash. Dear students, look at the structure here. Wall dash of pollution. Here there is the preposition of, and before preposition of we usually see the use of a noun. But in this blank we can understand from the sentence that here a word like kinds, types will be used. But here there is no word like kinds or types in the box. But in the box a synonymous word of kinds and types has been written, and that is sorts, and it will be written here. The word sorts will be written here. It means kinds or types. All sorts of pollutions. Noun plus preposition plus noun. All sorts of means all kinds of pollution like air pollution, soil pollution and water pollution. Dear students, look at the next line. Next sentence. The dwellers of the urban areas are the dash sufferers of such pollution. Dear students, look at the use of a definite article here. And after the blank there is a word and it is a noun. And from the meaning of the sentence we know that here the superlative form of an adjective will be used. So here, dear students, the word bad is an adjective and it is in positive form, and the superlative form of the word will be written here. The superlative form of bad is worse and it will be written here. After definite article, the superlative form of adjective is used, and that's why I have used first according to the structure and meaning of the sentence of such pollution. Then the industrialization process dash Bangladesh over the past decades dash created significant environmental problems. Dash friends, look at the phrase here. The industrialization process dash Bangladesh over the past decades. Dear students, this sentence is a simple sentence, and the industrialization process that Bangladesh over the past decades is a phrase, and it is a noun phrase. But in this phrase there are some words, but in this phrase there is a main word. I mean the noun, the main word or head word. The head word of the phrase is process. And here Bangladesh is a noun, and before a noun we usually use a preposition for a bigger place, or before a country we usually write in as preposition. So here the answer will be in. So the industrial process in Bangladesh over the past decades. Here a verb will be needed because the sentence is a simple sentence, and in a simple sentence a finite verb is used. So here in the phrase the main verb is process, and that's why the singular form of the verb has been used here. So here the past participle form has been written, and according to the meaning, structure and tense of the sentence, here the singular form of have has been used here. So the singular form of have is has. So the correct word in this blank is has. And as the head word is in singular, that's why the verb will be singular. Has created significant environment problems. We know, dear students, here a preposition will be used. Know, about. Here there is a preposition like about, and it will be written here. About. We know about some of the most common types. After types or kinds or sorts, we usually use a preposition of, and here in the box there is a preposition of, and it will be written here of. Types of environmental pollutions and waste of. Dear students, after preposition, verb form is sensed. If a verb is used after preposition, then ing is added after the base form of the verb. So after preposition, the verb form is beyond plus ing. So in this blank I have to use the word cope according to the meaning and structure of the sentence, but we cannot write cope. We have to change the word, and here we have to write copying, because cope is the main verb, but after preposition we cannot use the base form of the verb. We have to use beyond plus ing after preposition. Here, dear students, cope is a preposition, and that's why after preposition we have to write beyond plus ing, and that's why cope has become coping with them. In this case we need dash more. Dear students, according to the meaning of the sentence, we know that here a noun is needed, but in this box only one word has not been used yet, and it is a word, but this word is not a noun, it is an adjective. What is the noun form of the word ever? If we form noun from this adjective, we have to add suffix after the word. So the noun form of the word aware is awareness, and it will be written here. So dear students, in this way you will fill in the blanks, and when you will fill in the blanks you have to sense the forms of some of the words. Sometimes you may need to sense the forms of some words, and most of the time you may not need to sense the forms of some words. So dear students, I think you have understood. Next class I will give you many more examples regarding gap filling activities with clues, and you will read attentively at home. Stay home, stay safe. See you. Bye.